In this video, I will show you how to insert envelope symbol in Word like this. Let's get started. I will delete this symbol to show you. To insert envelope symbol, go to the insert option and click on icon to open this icon dashboard. Now under this insert icon dashboard, you will see here search box, enter envelope, and you will see here different types of envelope. There are almost 3 types of envelopes icons here. Click any one of them to select it and then click on insert to insert envelope symbol. Now you can resize the envelope symbol like this. You can fill the color if you want or change the outline color to black or any color. If you want to add shadow, you can just add a shadow like this so that the envelope symbol pops out. If you want a simple envelope symbol, you can just click on it and select any graphic style to apply on the symbol. If this video solved your problem, subscribe in return to help me, and don't forget to check out this useful video shown on screen to know more about Microsoft Word. See you again in the next video.